Just imagine living in Cotino Community, a place brought to life by the Disney touch. Here you'll find unmatched amenities like Cotino Bay and inviting parks, all just a stroll away. Hi, I'm Bret Iwan, and today we're touring a grand collection home by award-winning builder Davidson Communities. Exteriors in Cotino were inspired by Disney Imagineers, and Davidson Communities designed this home and the Cotino Oasis collection, bringing the vibrant Palm Springs style to life in a modern way. Davidson Communities prides itself in creating wow moments in their homes, and I think this door definitely qualifies. As you enter, you instantly get a feel for how this spacious home lives inside and out. The heart of the home is the kitchen, and this one's a stunner. Sleek, sophisticated lines and an expansive island bring family and friends together. The open plan creates a home meant for socializing, with its soaring ceiling heights and transom windows reflecting that iconic mid-century style. The magnificent fireplace in the seating area provides a dramatic focal point. And this versatile space is perfect for entertaining. It's made complete with a bar and some additional seating. This is truly an indoor-outdoor experience. These amazing sliding glass doors vanish into the wall. You come home, push these doors open, and the whole area lives as one. Enjoy the amazing Southern California weather, and in the evening, the starry night sky. The ceiling design reinforces one continuous living space, carrying you from the indoors seamlessly to the covered terrace. I, for one, would spend a lot of time outside, enjoying all the fun and relaxation this design offers. Bocce anyone? Sliding glass doors connect the fabulous outdoor living area to the primary suite, with all its luxurious details. The bath is spectacular, from the dazzling dressing area to the opulent showers and tub. The second bedroom captures drama all its own, and glass sliders open to the backyard. This magnificent home also boasts a separate guest suite, set apart for ultimate privacy. And it even includes its own front entrance, while sliders allow you to walk out and embrace the outdoor lifestyle. I hope you've enjoyed this extraordinary home as much as I have. There's nothing like living the dream where you actually live. So we invite you to come see for yourself.